Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Hassan. So today I'm going to discuss with you guys how to confirm or check your Crest form status. So whether it is satisfactory, it is accepted, or it is rejected or in progress. So Crest form is certificate of readiness to enter into specialty training program, and it is required when you are applying for your MSRA exams through your Oriel account. So when you open or log in your Oriel account, you can see that on the left side of your screen, you can see that there's a dashboard. Okay. When you click on dashboard, then your application will be visible on the right side of your screen. You can see over here. So to check your Crest form status, for example, I have applied for core psychiatry training. So what actually I need to do is that I have to click on the application summary over here. So when you click on the application summary, it will show that the summary of your application details, for example, from apply, long listing, and interview and offer. Okay, this is timeline of your application. So when you can see that just below it, you can see that summary, application page tracker, attached document, and Crest document. So to check your Crest document status, you can click over here and you can find that whether your Crest form is accepted, rejected, or in progress. So you can see that Crest form over here, that your Crest form is just like you can download it from here, and the application, the date of attachment over here, and then the review outcome is satisfactory. If it is get rejected, then there will be a rejected review over here. So hopefully this will help you guys to check the status of your Crest form, and it is most important thing that your Crest form uh, should be satisfactory to sit in your MSRA exams. Thank you.